A reliable Mini ITX motherboard delivers compact performance, efficient cooling, future-ready connectivity, and stable power for powerful small form factor PC builds. My today's video is about top 5 best Mini ITX motherboards review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Gigabyte A520 IAC motherboard. Designed for compact yet capable PC builds, this Mini ITX motherboard delivers a strong balance of stability, efficiency, and everyday performance. Its AMD AM4 socket supports 3rd Gen Ryzen processors, making it a solid foundation for gaming, productivity, and home office systems. The dual-channel DDR4 memory configuration maximizes memory bandwidth, while the optimized VRM heatsink and direct 6-phase digital PWM with 55A DRMOS provide reliable power delivery for consistent CPU performance under sustained workloads. A full-speed PCIe 3.0x16 slot accommodates modern graphics cards, and the NVMe PCIe 3.0x4 M.2 slot ensures fast boot times and responsive application loading. Although it features the basic ALC887 audio codec, it still delivers clear sound suitable for gaming, streaming, and multimedia use. Overall, this motherboard is an excellent choice for users seeking dependable performance, efficient thermal management, and essential features in a space-saving Mini ITX form factor without unnecessary extras. Now our second product is Stacklic Mini ITX motherboard. This Mini ITX motherboard is built for users who need enterprise-grade networking and storage performance in a compact form factor. Powered by an 8th generation quad-core, 8-thread processor with boost speeds up to 3.9 GHz, it delivers noticeably better performance than many entry-level N100 and N150 systems, making it ideal for NAS servers, firewalls, virtualization, and network security tasks. Support for VTX and VTD enables efficient virtual machine deployment, while dual 2.5 GB LAN ports ensure high-speed, reliable data transfers. The board also offers impressive expandability with 2 DDR4 SODIMM slots supporting up to 64 GB of memory, 8 SATA 3.0 ports, dual PCIe NVMe M.2 slots, and a PCIe Gen 3 X4 expansion slot. Dual 4K display output via HDMI and DisplayPort adds versatility for professional setups. Efficient cooling is handled by dual copper heat pipes and a ball-bearing fan, ensuring stable operation under heavy workloads. Aside from a minor sleep mode issue, this motherboard is an outstanding choice for compact, high-performance server and networking builds. Our third product is ASRock AMD B850i 128GB Mini ITX motherboard. This Mini ITX motherboard is an exceptional choice for enthusiasts who want flagship-level performance in a compact PC. Supporting AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, and 7000 series processors, it combines powerful hardware with an efficient 170 by 170 mm form factor ideal for space-saving gaming and workstation builds. Its premium 10+1+1 phase power design with 110A smart power stages delivers clean, stable power, making it well-suited for demanding workloads and CPU overclocking. Dual DDR5 DIMM slots support blazing memory speeds up to 8200+ MHz, OC, ensuring excellent responsiveness for gaming and content creation. The PCIe 5.0x16 slot prepares your system for next-generation graphics cards, while the Gen 5 Blazing M.2 and Gen 4 Hyper M.2 slots provide ultra-fast storage performance with quick load times. Killer 2.5G LAN, Wi-Fi 6E, and Bluetooth offer reliable, low-latency networking, and HDMI plus USB Type-C DisplayPort Alt mode provide flexible display connectivity. Overall, this motherboard delivers premium features, outstanding efficiency, and future-ready performance in a remarkably compact package. Now number 4, MSI Pro H810i Wi-Fi motherboard. The MSI Pro H810i Wi-Fi is a feature-rich Mini ITX motherboard built for users seeking reliable performance with Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processors. Its direct 6-phase VRM with 55A DRMOS and Core Boost architecture provides stable power delivery, ensuring consistent performance for demanding workloads and everyday computing. Cooling is another strength, with extended heatsinks, high-quality 7W/MK thermal pads, a dedicated chipset heatsink, and M.2 shield frozzer working together to maintain lower temperatures during extended use. Two DDR5 DIMM slots support memory speeds up to 6,400 metric tons per second, offering excellent responsiveness for multitasking and productivity. The PCIe 5.0x16 slot delivers full bandwidth for the latest graphics cards, while the Gen 4x4 M.2 slot provides fast storage performance with quick boot and application load times. Connectivity is equally impressive, featuring 2.5 gigabits per second LAN, a high-speed 20 gigabits per second USB Type-C port with display output, and enhanced 7.1 HD audio with audio boost. Overall, it's an excellent foundation for compact, modern, and future-ready PC builds. And our last choice is Gigabyte B760i Aorus Pro motherboard. This motherboard is an excellent choice for users building a powerful and future-ready Intel system. Featuring the LGA 1700 socket, it supports 12th, 13th, and 14th Gen Intel Core processors, providing flexibility for a wide range of gaming, content creation, and productivity builds. Its robust 8+1+1 digital VRM, paired with a premium 10-layer PCB, high-quality chokes, and capacitors, ensures clean and stable power delivery even during demanding workloads. Advanced thermal solutions, including enlarged VRM heatsinks and multi-layer M.2 heatsinks, effectively manage temperatures for sustained performance, while the integrated I/O shield simplifies installation. For DDR5 DIMM slots with Intel XMP support allow high-speed memory upgrades and excellent multitasking capability. Storage and expansion are equally impressive, with dual PCIe 4.0 M.2 slots, a reinforced PCIe 4.0x16 slot for modern graphics cards, and a generous selection of high-speed USB ports, including USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C. Overall, it delivers outstanding reliability, expandability, and long-term value for enthusiasts and professionals alike. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.